Guys, this is Chase again with Appa Insurance. Hey, I don't know what insurance companies you guys have your stuff with out there, but there is something I want to share with you. So here at Appa Insurance, we're what you call an independent insurance agent. So as an independent insurance agent, that means that we have the ability to go through a bunch of different carriers. And not only that, but we can offer several different lines of business. So even for personal lines, that's not just auto, home, and umbrella. I mean, there's specialty policies for side-by-sides, boats, classic cars, just about anything you can think of. There are specialty policies that we can have access to provide you with the right coverages for the assets, the vehicles, whatever you own. And the same thing on commercial. On commercial policies, we have the ability to go through a wide variety of different companies. Not every company is the best at everything. I mean, that's just all there is to it. Not every company's product fits you. I mean, that's just part of it. So part of what we try to do is we try to match up you with the right carriers for your situation. And that's one of the great things about working with an independent insurance agent is that we have that flexibility and those options for you. Now, there are other carriers out there that maybe you go directly through online, which if you do that, you just have to understand you don't have any service really. You don't have an agent that takes care of you, but that you've also got, if you don't do direct and maybe you aren't with an independent agent, you're with like one of the what they call captive agents, and that's where they basically just have one company. It's the same company. It's this company's home and auto and umbrella. And then so from what I have learned over the years is those companies do one thing really well, or they provide, like if it on personal, they tell you to bundle. Well, why do you think they tell you to bundle? Well, because they only have auto and home policy to offer to you, and they want you to bundle because that gets them more business. And it's not necessarily always the best option for you. We try to bundle you with the same carrier as much as we can, but again, there's many times that is not the best option for your situation. So, there's a lot going on in the insurance industry, and there's a lot of stipulations that these insurance companies have placed on the agents and on the insureds and the kind of business they want to write. So at this time, it's more important now, I think, than ever that you work with an independent agent that allows you options to give you the best coverages to fit your situation. So, just wanted to kind of explain that to you guys that don't know what your situation is, don't know what you're dealing with right now with your insurance policies. There's some companies, we've talked to some people here recently that says XYZ company won't do this or they won't do that. And that might be, some companies may not do a side-by-side policy. Another company may not do a classic car on their auto policy, but guess what? We actually have specialized classic car policies. We've got like 4, 5, 6 different companies that we can write classic cars with. Side-by-sides. We've got several companies we can write side-by-sides with, a standalone policy for that side-by-side, which is important because you don't want to add that to your auto or your home policy, because if you did have a claim with that side-by-side, guess what? It's going to affect your home or your auto policy. So we have specialized policies for those specialty vehicles. Golf carts. We have special policies just for golf carts. And I know there's a ton of people that have golf carts. There's so many different things out there that you need coverage for that you may not even know that there's a specialized coverage for if you don't deal with an independent agent. So give us a call if you need anything. Get a hold of an independent agent, guys. That's who you need to be dealing with on your insurance. So I hope we can help you out. If we can, just please contact us, reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you.